Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Telegram channel link. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app. Tap on the Telegram channel. First, you'll have to know that in order to set and change the link, the channel should be public. Now tap on the top section where the name of channel and number of subscribers is located. Click on the pencil icon on the top. Now click on the channel type option, and here you can see the public link option in blue font. Tap on the previous channel link. You can remove it and type in another favorable link. Now simply tap on the right button on the top right corner. Tap on it once again, and that is how you can change Telegram channel link. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.